Welcome to the garden classroom. Today we're going to look at our sunflowers that we planted 2 weeks ago to see if they're ready to plant out. If they are ready, I'm going to plant one in this pot and the others around the garden. Even though these have been planted at the same time on the 7th of April, you can see that these aren't as ready as these. So we're going to put these back and have a look at them another time. I've got 3 plants here that are ready to pot out. I'm going to plant one in this pot, one in my garden, and I'm going to gift one of them to my neighbour. So these 3 plants, I'm going to separate them. So I'm going to turn the pot upside down so it all falls out. And then I'm going to gently separate them. If you can see the roots. I'm going to make a hole in the pot and I'm going to water that area, really give it a good water because those roots have been disturbed and they'll need to regrow back into the earth. I'm going to gently get my sunflower, I'm going to squash it in and then I'm going to make sure that it's well covered over and the roots are well down deep. We're now going to give it another good water to make sure that those roots are well saturated. We then place a straight cane into the pot so that the plant can grow up, and we'll tie it to it so the plant doesn't fall over. Now I'm going to plant the other one in the garden.